guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I will show you how to design a logistic website like what you are seeing on the screen. Okay, it has the home page web design. You can see this, you can see all of this. All right, you can see the way the interface is very good. The home page has been done for you. All the pages you are seeing here, they are all customized, so you don't really need to do much work. Okay, you can see all of this. All right, you can see the way the home page is. All right, you can see all of this. You can see the way it is. You can see this. All right, so all the pages you are seeing has been customized and edited to your own taste. Okay, now let's go to the about us. See the about us page. All right, you can see the about us page. All right, so you see that all the pages have been customized. All right, from there I'll also show you the tracking side. You can see all the pages. You can see all of them have been customized to your own taste. All right, you can see the about us, you can see the contact and the rest of them. All right, so all of this has been customized to suit and to meet your demand. Now let's go to the tracking side. So you click on track package. All right, click on track package. So once you do that, good. So you can see the track option will come in. All right, so just insert your tracking number. All right, so I'll click on track results. Right, so you can see. Right, so you can see the information coming out. You can see the information coming out. All right, so which you can move ahead and decide if you want to print out. You can just click on print. All right, you can see it. You can print out if you want to print. All right, so it's loading, so you can print out your results. Can you see that? You can print out. Okay. All right, so this is how well this logistic website is. And aside from that, it also has email notification which you can receive for your package and the rest of them. Now that I've showed you all of this, all right, let's go ahead and customize this to your taste, and you can do this for your client and get your job delivered. All right, so that is for this particular project. Now, without wasting much time, if you are coming across our channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe. Here's our YouTube channel. All right, here's our YouTube channel. We have amazing stuff. All right, regarding any website you want to design, we have different templates to meet your demand. All you need to do is to make sure you subscribe and smash the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever videos like this are posted. Okay, now that I've showed you this, let's go ahead and design this particular video. I've showed you this template. I've showed you how you can customize it, how you can do this step by step. So let's go ahead. All right, so here is the cPanel. All right, here is the cPanel. And also, if you're having any challenge getting the reliable web hosting for your project, do well to reach out to us, and we'll be glad to help you fix that for your project. Okay, now I'll be using a subdomain. All right, I'll be using a subdomain for this particular project. So I'll just go to my file manager. All right, here's my file manager. I'll go to my file manager. All right, so click on, once I'm here, so I'll come to, here's my file manager. Then I'll come to this. So just open it up. Then I'll upload my file. Click on upload. All right, click on select. All right, click on select. Okay, I'll just click on select file. All right, good. All right, so I've selected the file. So I'll just wait for the file to upload. You can see it's uploading. So while this is going on, let's go ahead and create our database. All right, let's go ahead and create a database. Just go to your file manager or your cPanel. Sorry, come to your cPanel. Then come to, or we'll have, just come here and type database. All right, database wizard. So I'll just click on that. Okay, then just come here, just say data. All right, good. So just go ahead and click on that. Okay, so we'll still do that again, data. All right, so just do this. So all right. Okay, I've created my database, so I'll just wait for this file to upload. So once it is done, you can see 29, that's 10%. So let's hold on a bit. When it is done, we can continue from there. All right, as you can see, the file has been uploaded, but it's showing error. Right, this could be a result of network or everything, but as far as it's 100%, let's click on go back. All right, good. So you see the file there. All right, this is the file. You can see this is the file. All right, let me just delete these other ones. Let me just delete this. Let me just delete. Click on delete and delete that. All right, good. So this is the file. So right click on it and extract files. All right, extract. Okay. So now that you have extracted, remember I've created my database, so this is it. I'll just copy, right? Copy, and I'll come over to this part. So you see extracting. All right, so it's done. So just click on close. Okay. All right, so you can see it has been extracted. All right, so what we'll do now is just come back to where you have wp-config. You can see it here. Right click and edit. Okay, click on edit. Good. Okay, so just hold on for it to load. Remember our database is here, so I've copied. So it was the same information I used for the username and database. So I'll just come here. So here, this is where we have the file. So just remove this database here. Then I'll paste. All right, I'll paste. Then also come here. You can see it's very, very easy. Also paste. Then come to the last part here. Okay, and also paste. Good. So I've done that. Remember, I've done that. So I'll just click on save changes. All right, on save changes. Good. So the database that we just created. So I'll click on all privileges. All right, you can see that all privileges. Then click on next step. All right, click on next step, which is this. Good. So remember, the file that we extracted, database is already there. You can see the .sql file. This is database. It's inside the file. Okay, so I'll just come here. Right now is to go to phpMyAdmin. I'll go to phpMyAdmin. You can see it here, phpMyAdmin. Click on it. Right, so wait for it to load up. Good, so it's loading. All right, good. So come here. We are working with database, DataBB. This is this. We are working with this. Click on it. All right, then click on import. Click on choose file. All right, so I've selected the file. You can see that. So go down and click on import. You can see import here. So the database that I just uploaded is inside the file. You can see it here, it's inside the file. So wait for it to import. You can see it's loading. You have to wait. So please be patient. The file is being uploaded. So we wait for it to upload. As you can see, it has been uploaded. You can see all the files have been uploaded. Right. So next, come to this WPPF option. Come here, click on it. Right, so we can change the name. Right, you can see the name that is there. Let me click on edit. Okay, you can see the name that is there. So we need to change it to the subdomain I created, which is so you can see it here. This is data. This is the subdomain I created. So I'll copy this. All right, copy. Come here. I'll change this and paste. Oh, okay, Control Z. Let me remove. Let me just do it from here. All right, so just do that and click on go. Okay, so you have to change it to the one that is there. Now come to the second one again, edit. All right, also remove this and paste. Okay, then click on go. All right, then which other one again? You can change this email. Just click on edit again. All right, you can just put it here. All right, good. So next, press again. Okay, you can see that it's showing my blog, my WordPress blog, so you can also edit it. All right, so I can just come here, I just call it logistic. All right, you can see that. Then just go down and click on go. Okay, so you can also edit the last one. Okay, so now that I've done this too. So come to the next option where we have users. You can see it here, users. Click on it. Click on users. You can see it's already admin. So also edit this. Okay, so I also change this information. I just do this. Ensure to put it in MD5. MD5 is the MD. Okay, just put it in MD5. This is MD5. Select MD5. After you have changed this information, remember email is this. Okay, so also changes one. Okay, so just make sure you go through it and edit. All right. So now that we have done this, so now let's go and load our website. Let's load our website. This is our website. Load it. All right. So let's see what we have. All right. You can see the website is loading. You can see it's loading. You can see it's loading. All right. So just hold on a bit. Can you see we have our website ready? Can you see everything is perfectly ready? So now for us to go to the back end, just come here, put /wp -admin. All right. -admin. So this is how to go to the back end. And remember our information, you can see it's rebooting. Okay, you can see it's rebooting. So just hold on a bit. All right, just hold on. Okay, you can see now for you to get the username and the information here, just come here. Remember we changed this one the other time. This was the information that we changed the other time. All right, so this was the information we changed the other time. So you change this one. Let me show you again. Click on edit. All right, then the username is already there. You can see it. Then this one is the user pass. Okay, just I will change this one now. All right, you can put your own. So you can see this. Then make sure that you select MD5 here. Select MD5. This is MD5. So once you do that, then go down and click on go. Okay, so you can see that. So now let me input those information I've done there. Just put. Then let me just do this. Okay, so let me. You can see it's very, very easy. All right, so just click on this. Okay. You can see that it has logged into the backend. I'm the WordPress backend. All right. You can start to just save. All right. You can see I'm the WordPress backend. Now, for you to edit all the pages of the website, first of all, come to your settings. Before you do anything, come to your settings. Come to permalinks. All right. Come to settings. Come to permalinks. Then ensure you can see that it's showing day and name. All right. Ensure to put it in what post name. All right. Ensure to put it in post name, then save. Okay. All right. Then do it again. Ensure it's post name, then save again. To be very, very sure. All right. Good. So to be very, very sure, do it again. Do it one more time. All right. So good. Now the next thing we're going to do is to show how you can edit the header and the footer. It's very, very easy. Very, very easy. To edit the header and the footer, come to appearance. All right. Once you come to appearance, you will see fast strand options. You can see the fast strand options. Click on it. Okay. So you click on it and you see the information there. All right. So just come there. You can see if you want to change the logo. You can see that. You can see logo settings. Let me just show you. You can see logo settings. If you want to change the logo, you can see there. You can change your logo. Right. If you want to change the header, you can see different type of header. Right. You can see different type of header. All right. The one we are working with. Sorry, is this one. Then you can change the name. You can see the name that is there. Let me show you. You can see the phone number. All right. Okay. Let me close this. Let me also close this. And let me open the site in a new tab so you see what I'm talking about. Okay, it's loading. You can change the name, the number, and everything that is there. Okay, so let's hold on. Now the number, you can see the email info at example. Then you can see this address. Now to edit that, come here. Okay, you can see the address here. Okay, good. So you can see the email. You can see the email here. Now I can come here, remove this. Just put. Let me do this. Logistics. All right. Then you can put your address here. Okay. Then the phone number. You can also put the phone number here. Right, put your phone number there. Then remember the tracking form. I will have to change this. Remember, I've changed the link. So I'll also come here, change the link. Okay, change the link to your to your own domain link. You can see there. Right, so you can see this. I'll put it here. You can see that. Then ensure to change this phone number to your own. Then save changes. All right, save changes. Okay, let me save it again. Now let me go and refresh what I've done. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh this so you will see that everything we are doing is taking effect instantly. Now you can see the image already there. The address is there. You can see that everything we are working on is taking effect instantly. Okay, so that is for that. Now let's go back again. Let's go back. So for us to edit the footer, let me show you the footer. All right, this is for the header. Now let's go to the footer. Still come back here. You can see the footer option, the footer settings. Click on it. Okay, if you want to edit the footer, come down again. You can see you can change the footer background, the footer option, the footer logo. You can as well do that. But then if you don't want to edit it here, you can edit with Elementor. You can see it, you can edit with Elementor. Either of these will definitely work. Then you have your social setting. If you want to add the social media, you can as well edit all of that. Now, let's go ahead to the next thing. Let me show you how you can edit the tracking. How you can create a tracking. So to create the tracking, you can see it here, WP Cargo and Shipments. So now let's do the settings. First of all, come to your WP Cargo, come to General Setting. Okay, come to General Setting. Good. So once you come here, you can see the different option. You can see the different option, the different type of shipment, air freight, international shipment, truck load, and van move. Good. So that is there. You can see the sea transport, land, and air freight. Good. You can see the different location. Any country that is not here you want to add, you can just add them. Mali, Malta, Marshall Island, Mauritania, Mauritius. You can see the different country there. If you want to say add, just put command by the side and add your own. You can see the different shipment carrier. If you want to say add, you can say SGS. You can add this, so it will be there. As you want to collect your payments, you can see the different payments option, payment mode, cash, check, and this. You can see. So most of them are already here. So if you want to add your logo, so that when you click on track package, the logo will disappear. A logo will appear, so you can add it there. When you click on track shipment, like I will be showing you shortly, you can add your logo here. Let me click on add logo. All right, let me click on select or come to. Let me check from library. All right, let me click on library. So let me put a logo there. Good. So let me just look for a logo and put. Now let me use this. Okay, let me look for something. Okay, let's use this as the logo. Select this now. So this is the logo. Okay, track page is already there. Every other thing is there. Now you can see that when you create your track number, what comes before and after the track number, you can change it. All right, you can use this SGS. Okay, you can put that. Then come down and click on save changes. Okay, save changes. Then the next thing is to set up your email. You can see the email, client email setting and admin. If you want your client to receive email, you can also set it up here. Client email setting. All right, set up your email. I want them to receive all the email. All right, I want them to receive all the email. So I have to create email, domain email, your web mail. All right, you can see the example there. Your web mail info. You create your web mail. Okay. Then your client email. That's the shipper email address. You automatically take it. So you must have sort of all set up your email. You can see the email they will receive. All right. So make sure you set up your email. That's what I'm saying here. So I can come here now, create email. I can say, let me use this. Okay, let me use this. So that is the email. So automatically the client email will be added. So I'll click on save changes. So anytime this is sent out, the email, the client will get notified. It's important to set up your email via this client email setting. Okay, so now that I've done this, let's go to, there's the map setting. All right, there's a map setting. If you also want the map to be showing, there's a map setting. You can see that display, but then you need what is called API. All right, you need API, but if you don't want that, you can just display map. Can you display map there? You can display map. All right. So if you want map to be shown on your tracking package, you can just turn this on. But if not, you can turn it off. Then let's go to shipment. Let's go to shipment. Let's look at all shipments. Okay, good. So now we have to create a shipment here. So let's click on add new shipment. You can see once we click on add new shipment, the tracking number will automatically be generated. All right, you can see tracking number is automatically generated. It's still loading. Can you see it now? This automatically generates your tracking number. This was the last digit I changed that, and that's FGS. So if you want to have like this, you can do that. So just copy. So fill all this information that is here. All right, just fill all this information that is here. You can do something like this. Okay, sorry, just do something like this. Okay, so do something. Okay, so just have it. Okay, so then come here and fill on your tracking package. KG, put your KG package confidential. Whatever thing you are sending out, so just make sure you fill it like that. Okay. All right, so you fill all this information the way it is. So just fill it up, fill it up. Everything that you need to add there, make sure you add it. Okay. So on this other side, you can see when is it leaving, is it pending, location, you can say Nigeria. All right, so the time is there, the date is there. Okay, so once you do this, ensure to click on publish. I click on publish. Okay, so now let's go and track what we have done. Let's go and track it. So let me copy this code. I'll copy this, my tracking code. Copy this, come to the website. This is the website. Click on track package. All right, so you can see it's showing. Click on track package. Then now let's paste the code here. Let's paste the code. You can see that let's track package. You can see we have tracked the package. It's showing a blank page. Showing a blank page. Reason is because the PHP version is not up to. So the PHP version, we need to go and update the PHP version. So go back to your cPanel. All right, go to your cPanel. Go to multi PHP manager. You can see it here. All right, go to multi PHP manager. Then I'll go to, this is the one I'm working with. You can see the ship. Okay, so select the PHP version. Let me select it. Let me first of all take it back to 7.4. All right, you can see I've changed to 8.1 here. All right, I've changed to 8.1. So let's try it again. Let's try it again. Let me reload this. All right, so it's loading. Good. Can you see that now? So let me put the tracking number again. Let's track the package. Okay, so let's see what we have now. So this is how it is. Sometimes if it's not working like this, probably your PHP version is having the error. So just change your PHP version. You can see the tracking number and everything is showing up. Okay, you can see everything. Then you can see the logo I did the other time. Where I told you should put a logo there. You can see the logo. Now from this, you can print out what you have here. Okay, you can print out what you have here with the logo and everything in it. Okay, with everything in it. So you can see that it's very, very easy to design a logistic website with this. All right, you can see that it's very, very easy to design a logistic website with this. So if you enjoy this video and you would like to have something like this for your project, reach out to us via the number showing in the description of this video. Okay, I will be glad to assist you. And if you also have any challenge, also ensure to reach out to us. I will be glad to assist you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.